So let's say that we are asked to take the derivative of a logarithmic function. So if we are asked to take the derivative of, say, the natural log of x, the thing to memorize is that this is going to be equal to 1 over x. Similarly, if we were asked to take the derivative of the natural log of, say, a function, and we're going to call that function u, just like we did in the previous example, this is going to be equal to 1 over u times the derivative of u. So let's run through a quick example. Let's say that we are given y is equal to the natural log of 2x. Y prime then is equal to what? Take a second and see if you can figure that one out on your own. Okay, so y prime, we know from the chain rule, is going to be equal to the derivative of this outermost function, so 1 over 2x, times the derivative of the innermost function, which is 2. And so we would say that y prime is equal to 2 over 2x, or 1 over x. Let's say that we're given that y is equal to the natural log of x squared plus 3x. Y prime is equal to what? Go ahead and take a second and see if you can figure that out on your own. Okay, so we know from the chain rule that y prime will be equal to the derivative of our outermost function, so 1 over x squared plus 3x, times the derivative of our innermost function, which is 2x plus 3. And so we would say that y prime is equal to 2x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 3x. Let's do one more example. Let's say that y is equal to the natural log of 2 times x. What is y prime equal to? Pause the video for a second and try to get that one on your own. Okay, assuming you've had a go at it, y prime is going to be equal to the derivative of this business. Now, what we notice here is that the natural log of 2, this is a constant. And so, therefore, the derivative of y will be simply the natural log of 2. This is the same thing as if y had been equal to something like 10x, where y prime would have been equal to 10. Or if y had been equal to pi squared times e raised to the 4th times x, y prime would have been equal to pi squared e to the 4th. And so just in the same way, the natural log of 2 is a constant, and so therefore y prime, or the derivative of y, would be the natural log of 2.